Hello, this is Mrs. Lew. Let us look at this science question. The experiment below shows an experiment set up to investigate osmosis. Okay, osmosis, how do you know it's osmosis? Because there's a whisking tubing, means a partially permeable membrane is present. And osmosis, we only talk about the movement of water. Movement of water from a region of high water potential to a region of low water potential. So we have two solutions over here, water, which is outside, and inside we have dilute sugar solution. So which one has a higher water potential? Okay, so water has a higher water potential. Dilute sugar solution has a lower water potential because there is less water inside. There is starch inside. So water moves from a higher water potential to a lower water potential through a partially permeable membrane is known as osmosis. Hence, water will move in. So when water moves in, water level of M will rise. So water level of M will rise. Okay, so if there's less water in the beaker, so the water level of N will drop. So water level of N will drop. Okay, hence the answer is C. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.